In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the scroll bar width in Mozilla Firefox. If you've ever found the scroll bars in Firefox too thin or difficult to grab, especially on larger monitors or high-resolution displays, this tutorial will show you a simple way to make them wider. Many users find the default scroll bars a bit too small, and in some versions of Firefox, they become even narrower when your mouse cursor is not hovering over them. Fortunately, there's a built-in setting that allows you to adjust this behavior and make scrolling much more comfortable. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to check which version of Firefox you're currently using. To do that, click the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window. Select Help, and then choose About Firefox. A small window will appear displaying your current Firefox version. Knowing your version can be helpful because browser settings and features occasionally change between releases. Once you've confirmed your version, move to the address bar and type About Config, then press Enter. Firefox will display a warning page informing you that you're about to access advanced preferences. Review the message and continue to the configuration page. Inside the configuration screen, you'll find a search field where you can quickly locate specific preferences. In this search box, enter the preference name related to scrollbar styling. After entering the preference, the matching result should appear in the list below. When you locate the setting, click the Edit button to modify its value. Change the value to 4 and then save the change using the confirmation button. This adjustment tells Firefox to use a different scrollbar style that provides a noticeably wider scrollbar appearance. After saving the setting, close Firefox completely and then reopen the browser. Once Firefox starts again, visit a web page with enough content to scroll through. You should immediately notice that the scroll bar is wider and easier to use. In addition, it should remain more visible instead of shrinking significantly when your mouse moves away from it. If you ever decide that you prefer the original appearance, you can return to About.config, locate the same preference, and edit it again. Setting the value back to 0 will restore the default behavior. You can also experiment with other available values to find the scroll bar style that works best for your preferences. That's all it takes to increase the scroll bar width in Mozilla Firefox. It's a quick customization that can make navigation more comfortable and improve your overall browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.